Well, hello there, broke bitches. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing some unboxing and reviewing the Balenciaga Everyday Access camera bag. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this has just arrived at my house. I bought these online from mytheresa.com. This is my second purchase. I'm happy again with my second purchase because it was quick actually. It was easy and there's a lot of discount going on there. You know what, my Theresa should have paid me for that. Alright, here we go. So this is the box that came. Just gonna ta-da! Alright, first thing, this is the invoice, and what's in it? Of course, invoice. I bought this bag for Australian dollars, $1,450, or like in rupiah, it's around like 15 million rupiah. So they gave you this return label. So if you receive your stuff and then you don't like it and you want to return it, it's free, I believe, to return the bag, and they give you the label. So there you go. Easy, right? It comes in handy, really. My Theresa. So let's see what's inside this box. Ta-da! There you go. I'm just gonna get it out of the box. So there you go. We got another card here saying, "Thank you. This package has been lovingly wrapped by Tammy, my Theresa." There you go, Tammy. You did a good job if you watch this. Oh, God. As I always say, the first thing you need to do once you receive this kind of stuff is to take long, deep, good smell out of it. Alright, you guys. Ta-da! There you go. So this is the bag. So like if I put it on, because it's XS, so I expected this would be like this small, obviously. Like if you can see, I'm like supermodel, like Naomi Campbell type of body, you know what I mean? Like, so it looks like this. One thing I have to tell you that before I bought this bag, I have done like some research, because as you might know, there's like at least 4 different Balenciaga Everyday XS camera bag. Like one of them, it's the old collection. I believe it's called the File, where like the Balenciaga logo is quite big on the bottom here. But again, I don't think they make it anymore. It's an old collection. And then if you go to like Balenciaga website and if you like type down the Everyday Access camera bag, there's like 3 different types of these bags. 2 of them, like the other 2, they don't have this handle on top of the bag, and also the strap, they are not removable. So I specifically bought this one because it is like a removable strap, and also it has handles. So like, let me try to remove the strap. Wow, that's so easy, hey. And there you go. It's a handbag now, like you can just carry on like this. Alright, so let's see what's inside here. So this is the authentication card. Yeah, of course, this bag is legit, duh. And another tag. Also, the usual, the control letter. Another important thing is, like on this side, on the front side, like inside the bag, there should be the serial numbers. That's how to make sure that your bag is legit or authentic. On the other side, there's like a Balenciaga embossed. And on the back of the bag, there's like this, space for you to put, I don't know, cards maybe. But yeah, just gonna Alright, on this side, there's another tag that says, "Please note, returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached." So there you go. If you once you receive your bag or whatever, if you don't like it and you change your mind, you can return it free charge. It's just you gotta make sure this tag needs to remain attached to the bag. Alright bitches, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you watch another unboxing video of mine, and if you have any question, drop it down in the comment below. Like this video, subscribe, because I'm gonna be reviewing another designer stuff. And once again, thank you so much. Come on, go get yours. Bye.